Welcome to this insane $125 million Bel-Air mansion, where every detail defines pure, unfiltered billionaire luxury. Watch this.
This architecture perfectly frames the entire LA skyline at dusk, blending structural glass with one stunning infinity pool. Look at that view. Step inside the grand entrance foyer. This massive space features sheer glass walls and solid Calicotta gold marble floors. Welcome to the primary living lounge. This room delivers absolute comfort with ultra-luxury designer seating and seamless glass. Look at this spectacular master kitchen. The polished stainless steel appliances and massive marble island redefine billionaire culinary perfection. This formal dining space is unreal. A massive glass table surrounded by alabaster white chairs makes every meal legendary. Welcome to the ultimate executive home office. You can close multi-million-dollar deals surrounded by stunning marble perfection. The master ensuite is pure perfection. It features a freestanding marble tub, polished stainless fixtures, and insane glass showers. This primary master bedroom is absolutely massive. You get panoramic canyon views right from your bed through seamless glass. This sculptural floating marble staircase will blow your mind. Stainless steel rails perfectly contrast the massive solid steps. This secondary master bedroom is absolutely massive. You get endless canyon views completely framed by sheer structural glass. Even the VIP guest bedroom suite is crazy. Guests get massive glass windows, charcoal gray bedding, and pure luxury. The second guest bedroom is completely surrounded by pristine structural glass and massive alabaster white designer beds. The family bedroom suite is flooded with gorgeous natural light, pouring through massive walls of pure structural glass. The master closet looks like an ultra-luxury boutique. Check out those glass display islands and polished steel. The romance room sets the perfect mood with massive floor-to-ceiling glass and ultra-luxury velvet furniture. This incredible first guest bathroom showcases pure Calicotta gold marble floors and a stunning polished stainless steel vanity. Check out the second guest bathroom. Absolute perfection with pristine reflective glass walls and deep charcoal gray accents. Even the powder room screams pure wealth with absolute flawless marble vanities and beautiful champagne gold mirror frames. Upstairs, the family lounge is ultra relaxing. The massive glass walls bring that bright California sunshine right inside. This private sitting lounge is an absolute masterpiece. Check out the perfect blend of polished steel and marble. This insanely luxurious home library features massive structural glass walls and floor-to-ceiling charcoal gray velvet seating. This incredible butler's pantry is built entirely with polished stainless steel and solid Calicotta gold marble countertops. Even the hidden prep kitchen is completely insane. It rocks premium polished stainless steel and massive marble counters. The indoor service kitchen extension is massive, featuring sleek, polished stainless steel appliances and endless structural glass. This ultra-luxury laundry room features incredible polished stainless steel machines and beautiful, massive Calicotta gold marble countertops. The mudroom entry is absolutely flawless, showing off deep charcoal cabinetry resting beautifully on pristine Calicotta marble floors. Even the staff quarters are purely insane, featuring polished stainless steel finishes and bright, massive structural glass windows. Welcome to the ultimate immersive cinema room. Get ready for movies on plush, charcoal gray velvet luxury seating. This contemporary billiards hall is pure insanity. Look at that custom structural glass pool table over solid marble. Every single wall decoration detail features pure champagne gold finishes, elevating this Bel-Air mansion to ultimate perfection. Working out just got legendary. This massive home gym features pure polished stainless steel equipment and endless glass. Relax like a billionaire in this stunning steam room. It features flawless structural glass walls and gorgeous stonework. Look closely at these flawless Calicotta gold marble floor tiles. The stainless steel inlays make this totally unique. Find your ultimate peace in this jaw-dropping meditation room, completely enclosed by massive panoramic structural glass walls. Even the room doors are pure billionaire luxury. Massive alabaster white panels framed by sleek, polished stainless steel. Every single cabinet detail is insane. Look at the precision polished stainless steel and champagne gold handles. The gorgeous outdoor seating area perfectly matches the architecture, with solid marble floors and incredible sunset canyon views.
This insanely fun children's entertainment room rocks polished steel accents and the most luxurious charcoal gray furniture.
Your artisanal coffee bar features absolutely flawless, polished stainless steel machines surrounded by heavy Calicotta gold marble. Enjoy your morning meals in this gorgeous breakfast nook, entirely surrounded by flawless structural glass and sunshine. Check out this heavy bikes collection display perfectly illuminated by champagne gold lighting over pristine Calicotta marble floors. This private luxury orchard view features perfectly manicured olive trees surrounding pristine polished marble walkways and heavy glass. Check out the indoor pool lounge. We have flawless Calicotta marble decking completely encased in heavy structural glass. Relaxing here is a dream thanks to plush alabaster white seating overlooking heavy marble and beautiful polished steel.
This insanely luxurious party room features a solid marble bar perfectly highlighted by those stunning champagne gold lights.
The massive hidden service stairs are incredible, built with solid Calicotta marble and extremely heavy polished steel handrails.
This massive, pristine service corridor features pure alabaster white walls perfectly accented by precision polished stainless steel trims. This cutting-edge residential security control room is loaded with high-tech glass screens and massive steel desks. This indoor dining extension lounge features plush charcoal velvet sofas that perfectly contrast the heavy marble floors. Check out the high-tech home automation system seamlessly integrated into heavy polished steel and stunning marble walls.
You can find absolute peace in this beautiful indoor Zen garden surrounded entirely by perfect sheer structural glass.
The casual media room is extremely luxurious. You get massive charcoal gray sofas and flawless Calicotta marble flooring. This massive indoor relaxation pavilion is fully wrapped in sheer structural glass and gorgeous champagne gold luxury accents. Just steps away from the pool, this beautiful interior lounge deck shines bright with flawless polished steel trims. Experience true relaxation in this indoor spa shower. It has massive glass enclosures and solid marble stone walls. This spectacular study room features a solid marble desk, highlighted perfectly by those glowing champagne gold light fixtures.
Check out these unbelievable ultra-modern luxury refrigerators completely wrapped in heavy polished stainless steel and sheer glass.
This final interior pullback proves this mega mansion is the absolute pinnacle of glass, marble, and pure luxury. Thanks for touring this $125 million masterpiece. Hit subscribe for more insane billionaire luxury mansions. The upper floor overlook is breathtaking. You get a perfect view of the polished steel and massive marble below.